Hello everyone, this is Wakar from Pakistan. Today I'll be shooting this video. It's regarding the Impar settings. There are certain settings that I call them ideal settings because you get maximum earning if you have those settings. I've witnessed that, and let me show you which those settings are. So I have placed some points here so I could focus on them one by one. So the first one is, let me just extend this font. Okay, so how to set up Par for maximum earnings. Impar. First we'll go to earnings preferences. Let me show you where this option is. We come over here, we click on settings. This will load up. This is our first option. You have to click over here and scroll down a bit, and this is the option earning preferences. You have to turn this on and save this here. That's all you need to do. If you wish, you can fill this out. This is like your username and your email address and location and zip code information, but they're all optional. If you wish, you can fill this out. If not, but you should make sure that your earning preferences is on. Okay, moving on to next option. After saving this, you can close this, and then we have to set up add platform fee payment priority. This option we will find in my ad credits. Let's move on to my ad credits. It's in advertise. We click here. This will open another screen for us, and this is the screen. It has three options: my ads, my ad campaigns, my ad credits. But we are looking for this button here. We'll just click on this and the screen will open. This one. So here we have to make sure that our first option is selected, and this is 100%, just as you're seeing it right now. And over here we have two options, and the first one should be selected. These are the ideal settings which if you adopt, it will maximize your earning. If you want to go through this one, it's saying attempt to use my fully matured profits. We'll be discussing this. What are your mature profits later on, but you have to select this one. This will keep you in safe position as well, because some people complain that they have been charged for their PayPal account or from their credit card account. So that won't happen with this option here, and this should be at 100%. And plus there are two options. If you select to pay only your platform fee only 1.45%, you can do that, and you will get rebate at the time when you pay this amount in due date. If you cross that due date, you don't get that 50% rebate. So make sure that you pay your ad platform fee in due date. After setting this up, you can save this and you get good to go. Let me close this now. This was our second setting. You have to make sure you have these settings all set up. Then we move on to this topic. This is a small topic. I have to explain this. Why pay ad platform fee in time? Okay, let's come back here. If you see here, there's a date, ad platform fee. For the time being, I have paid, so it's showing 0, but this is the ad platform due date, and this is actually showing the past date, but when it will be due, you will be seeing the due date here. Let me go in detail. Yesterday I paid this amount. I had paid 3.77 cents on 3rd March, but yesterday I paid this amount here. So now I have cleared my ad platform fee. Since I didn't had any matured amount in my account, in my balance, so you should not be expecting that all the time you will be paying this ad platform fee from here, because this is related to two things. One, first of all, it's important, it's compulsory that you have the matured amount with you to pay this fee. In some cases, like in my case, I just had $3.77, so it let me use those $3.77 to pay my ad platform fee, but after that I didn't had any matured amount, so I had to pay this amount out of my PayPal account. So once you pay this amount, you're all good, you're clear, and then there will be again a due date on which you should pay the ad platform fee. That will be on next month. So I just click OK here. So after this, let's move on to the next option. Then we have to set up power user settings. Let me show you where power user settings are. You go here, get more power. Let this load. Sometimes my net gets pretty slow, so bear with me. You click this setting over here and this should open. Now since I don't know why this is not opening since yesterday, but I do have a screenshot, and let me try to capture show you that screenshot. It was in my on my desktop, so let's go over to the desktop, and it was a screenshot. This is very important, guys, because unless you understand this, this is regarding the how to become a power user, why you should be a power user, and when you are a power user, the benefit you get is you upgrade to other levels automatically, and once you upgrade, you get more leverage to get your ad platform fee paid from your balance, which depends on your power user level. So just hold on, let me see where that screen is. I think it is somewhere here, maybe. Let me see if yes, this is the one I was looking for. So when you click here, this screen will show up, and it will show Earnings Accelerator. Make sure you have clicked this one, selected this, and in the second box over here, power user payment priority, you select payment protect my balance by using my payment mechanism. Whatever mechanism you have chosen previously in your my ad credits, that will be utilized here. So you can also choose use my balance first, but I would not recommend this. This over here is perfect. So you check this box and you select the first option, and after this our settings are complete. You make sure these 3 settings are all done properly. Okay, let's go back to our notepad. Now I have to explain what is balance and what is profit, how Empower takes this word balance and profit. So what we are earning here is balance. This is not this is the amount which is not I mean you have to pay your ad credits out of this balance, and then your payment gets matured. Let's click on this and we'll get more detail on this one, so it will be easy for me to explain what I mean to say here. Let me go down here. If you see here, we have bars. Now this is the earning per day. We have all the detail, how much I've earned. Like I started on the 21st of Feb. So if you look into this detail, I earned $37 $54, and my $37.38 were deducted. So I had nothing in my maturity balance. If I look at the next day, same, my maturity balance is 0. Again it's 0, but over here so it's still 0. Over here you could see maturity balance going up a bit. It's $26.74, and this goes on and on and on and on, and all these amounts are accumulated, and this makes our maturity amount, the total amount matured. So that's how it will work. Actually, what will happen on the 90-day period, after 90 days, they will see how much our balance is and how much our ad credits are. So they will deduct ad credits out of our balance, and the rest will be paid. I talked about this in detail with my coach, and he told me that actually on the first month, usually it depends how much you have earned, but mostly what they have observed is on the first month you are at the break-even, or maybe in some cases you will have to pay a small amount out of your credit card or out of your PayPal. But let me explain why that is, why that happens. The reason is, by the end of 3 months or 4 months, you can say you are being paid ad credits every month. On the maturity day, all that 4 months credits are deducted from you on that first month. That's why you are left with no balance on the first month, first payment month, you can say. But the benefit is that all the rest of the months you have reduced the load of credit balance for rest of the months. I hope I've explained this well. What I mean to say is, since you have paid all your credit balance on the first month, the next month you won't be paying those ad credits. You will be just paying for that month's ad credit, and your earning will grow more. On the first 90-day period, why your earning will be zero, or maybe you will have to pay out of your pocket, because you're paying for full 4 months or 3 months. You're paying full 4 months or 3 months of your credit ad credit balance. So that's the very important point we should understand, that it would not be like we will be getting this balance all together on the 90-day period. It will not be like that. They will deduct all the ad credits out of our balance. If we have any amount left, that will be cashed out. So, but that will be all our credits will be paid on that day. So that concludes today's video. With this, I would like to say that please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you like my video, and there will be a link below. If you would like to join Empire, you can join us. We are a huge team. We're doing very well, and this is an amazing platform where you can really earn and make your life change. So hope you join with us, and with that I'll be closing this video. Thank you very